Hi everybody, just want to give you a quick video instruction on how to find your official course evaluation results for yourself as an instructor and any student comments from those who were in your sections this last semester for fall. So what you do is go to any BYUI website and at the top search course evaluations. This will take us right to the institutional research page here, course evaluations. And as you scroll down here on the right-hand menu, there's a link to instructor results. When you click on that, it's going to have you log in with your BYUI credentials again, and you'll have access to your semester results. If you've taught previously, all of your other results will be in there as well. So you can look for the fall 21 semester, and there's a summary table that you'll see right when you get in, and then there's a detailed report where you can see what your students, how they rated you and on the different criteria. And then there's another link you can click that's student comments, and you can read any comments that were left. You can also get an idea how many of your students responded out of the total number. So it's just a way to look at your results and information from this last semester. So jump into that and take a look, and hopefully there's some good insights. Let us know if there's any questions that you have. Thanks.